Alright, greetings from Garden Family. I'm bringing you guys in a little late on this video. Those that are currently in the process of making banana pudding using these fresh organic bananas from our backyard food forest. You got guys and gals out there saw us harvest about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago on our recent harvest video on our bananas. This is the first layer, so you're going to be adding another layer of bananas to this banana pudding. Top it off with. And we'll bring you guys back in a few minutes to show you what that looks like. This being our probably second, third, or fourth of what we do with our harvest video here for the 2022 grow season. We'll bring you guys up in about 5 minutes, which is ready to add that next layer of bananas to this delicious dessert made from homegrown organic bananas from our backyard food forest. And back. Alright, Green Thumb Garden Family, we're back, and this is Roosevelt in the process of adding another layer of these homegrown organic bananas from our backyard food forest to this delicious dessert you see being prepared right here before your eyes. And we're going to bring you guys back later on this evening and show you guys what this banana pudding looks like. Also do a taste test on this favorite dessert of mine here. Put you guys back in about 2 hours, maybe when it's dinner time. This banana pudding is ready for us to dig into, and I'll bring you guys along for the experience. Okay. Alright, Green Thumb Garden Family, as Mrs. Roosevelt adds the last layer of pudding to the top of this banana pudding. What do you guys think it looks like so far? We know what bananas taste like. Super delicious, sweet in every way. Nothing like those bananas you buy from the grocery store. I tell you, nothing like growing your own organic produce in your own garden or food forest. It tastes totally different from those commercially grown fruit and vegetables. Again, there's no hybridization, no GMOs, none of that. It's 100% organically grown Cavendish bananas from right in our backyard in our food forest. Mrs. Build It All, what all do we have in this? What's the recipe for this banana pudding? What you got in there? Besides that, we know you got your bananas in there, and your banana wafers, and your actual pudding. Is that homemade pudding, or is that
Jello.
Jello bread pudding?
Mm-hmm.
It looks delicious. Most of you guys and gals out at home watching this video are saying to yourself, that's a huge platter of banana pudding, and it is. I totally agree with you guys. But my little nephew loves bananas and banana pudding far more than I do. So I'm a little surprised in this field with a bowl of this banana pudding. When it's ready, I can't wait to see the look on his face. I think I've taken him probably 4 or 5 bunches of bananas from our previous banana harvest in our backyard food forest so far this grow season. He walks over from his house with his mom and little brother as often as possible to our backyard food forest. Take a look at the garden pond back there, and he's always wowed by the banana plants and the huge racks of bananas we've been growing back there so far this year. So we definitely intend on sharing some of this with him. At any rate, as we approach the end of this video, doesn't this banana pudding look delicious? Y'all know it does. I'm not gonna get it too. Again, I'm gonna do my best wait about 2 hours before I dig into this banana pudding. And bring y'all back. And sharing with y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all back. Making banana pudding using freshly grown organic bananas from our backyard food forest. Doesn't it look delicious? Thank you, Mrs. Rosendahl. You know I love banana pudding. I'm gonna be back, y'all. I'm gonna be back. All right, Green Thumb Garden family, we're back. It's been a couple of hours since Mrs. Rosendahl prepared this delicious looking banana pudding from organic bananas grown in our backyard food forest. You guys saw that video earlier, maybe a week and a half ago or 2 weeks ago. We harvested those bananas from our backyard food forest. At this point, Mrs. Rosendahl is going to place a little bit of that banana pudding in this bowl for me. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on how good or not good this banana pudding is here. We're right now at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Doesn't that look fantastic? Y'all know it does. Y'all know it does. And that thing is loaded with bananas from our backyard food forest. Can't wait to dig into that. I don't know about y'all, but I love banana wafers in my banana pudding. Get in here right now and give you my guys my honest opinion on how good or not good this banana pudding actually is. Yeah, see that? Doesn't it look fantastic? Get my trusty spoon in here. Get my spoonful of that. Make sure I find a couple of those bananas in this. Ooh. Boy. That ain't delicious. Yes, indeed. That homemade banana pudding using those organic bananas from the backyard food forest. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take a moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, the like button, the notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.